Welcome back. You're tuned into Markets at Noon. We're getting you all the updates from the market, and on the latest is a public interest litigation that has been filed before the Bombay High Court in connection with the governance structure of Tata Trust Board. Anurag Joshi is now joining us with the developments of the story.
A public interest litigation has been filed before the Bombay High Court challenging the convening of the Tata Trust board meeting on May 8. The petitioner, Suresh Patikhade, has made the state of Maharashtra a respondent in the matter and is seeking the cancellation of the May 8 Tata Trust board meeting. The petition claims that the Sir Ratan Tata Trust board composition is in violation to the Maharashtra Public Trust Second Amendment 2025 Act. To give you a little background, last September, Maharashtra had amended the public trust law and it had limited the number of perpetual trustees in a public trust to a fourth of the size of the trust. Now, 3 trustees on Sir Ratan Tata Trust board hold perpetual positions. That's half the board's compositions. There are 6 trustees currently, including Chairman Noel Tata. The petitioner is claiming that the number of trustees in the Sir Ratan Tata Trust exceeds the criteria and has demanded the cancellation of the board meeting. The rule, according to the amended ordinance, is that if the instrument of trustee doesn't have a specific provision on the appointment of trustees, this rule will be applicable. And it's applicable where the trustee doesn't have any specific provision on the appointment of trustee as a perpetual trustee. And this Maharashtra Trust Act governs the trust limits, the term limits for the trustees on public trusts.
Okay, Anurag, thanks so much.